Good morning, sir. My name is Kirti, son of SB KARUNAMURIThi from class 121. Okay, so today I'm going to explain about 5 different applications that uses logic gate in our daily life. Okay, sir. So the first is car alarm security system. Okay, car alarm security system. So let's say we assume W is front right door, X is front left door, then Y is rear right door and Z rear left door, and V for buzzer. Okay, so the logic gate is like this. So we use OR gate. Okay, so when W, so 1 is door open, 0 door close. Okay, okay, sir. And for the buzzer, 1 is alarm sounds, the buzzer sounds, 0 the buzzer does not sound. Okay, so the truth table is if we use any one, sorry sir, if we open any one of the gate, one of the door, or any 2 doors, or any 3 doors, or open all the 4 doors, the buzzer will make noise. But and if we didn't open any of the door, the buzzer will not make any noise, sir. So this is used for car alarm security system, sir. And the second is burglar alarm. Just now car alarm security system, this one burglar alarm. Burglar alarm. Let's assume W as person sensor, X as switch of alarm, Z is buzzer. So for W, 1 is sensor, for person sensor, 1 is sensor on, 0 is sensor off. Switch of alarm, 1 switch on, 0 switch off. And we use the gate is AND gate. So 1 is buzzer activated, 0 buzzer not activated. And the truth table is, okay sir, truth table, if the sensor is on and the alarm switch is on, the buzzer will make noise. If sensor off and sensor off, alarm switch on, the buzzer will make noise because no one to enter the house, so no burglar, that means no burglar. So let's say if there is burglar, the sensor is on but the alarm switch is off, we didn't open the alarm switch, the buzzer will make no noise. So if let's say both no burglar and no alarm switch is on, so assume that both off, the buzzer also will be off, will not be activated. Okay, then the third is street light. Street light, we assume W is light sensor, X switch, Y is street light. So W, 0 is for W light sensor, 0 is for dark when it's night, and 1 is for bright, which is at the daytime. So switch is X, 1 is for the switch on, 0 is for switch off. So and we use 2 gates, one is OR and one is NOT. Okay, let's see the truth table. When the sensor is 0, which means dark, when it's night time, because we use NOT gate, 0 will be 1, 1 will be 0. Okay, so the sensor is 0 when it's dark, the switch is on, street light will switch on. The sensor is bright, the day is bright, and the switch is on, the street light will be on because the switch is on. Maybe it's a rainy day or something. So when the sensor is it's dark, the night time, and the switch is off, because it's night time, the sensor, it will automatically open. And the time it's the sensor is bright, which is daytime, and the switch is off, the street light will be off. Okay sir, so any of this become 1, the street light will be switched on, sir. Okay, and the fourth is water sprinkler in plantations. So assume W is soil condition, X is switch, Y is water sprinkler. So W, 0 is for wet, 1 is for dry. So X, 1 is for switch on, 0 is switch off. And we use NAND gates, NAND gate and NOT gate, 2 gates. Okay, just like this answer. 0 is for wet. So when the soil condition is wet and the switch is on, water sprinkler will be switched off. Water does not sprinkle because the soil condition is wet. The soil is already wet. For what we need water? Okay, then when the switch is dry, when the soil is dry and switch is on, water will sprinkle. Water sprinkle will be turned on. When the soil condition is wet, but so when there is wet and switch will be, the water sprinkler will be turned on. Same when dry and switch is turned on, sir. Okay, then the last Last application of logic gate is automatic door. Automatic door. Assume W is the button of a remote we use in the house, X is switch, and Z is door. So W1 is button press, 0 is button do not press, X1 switch on, 0 switch off. Okay, so for the truth table, so when the button is pressed, and the switch is on, if both on, the door will be open. When the button does not press, we does not press the button but switch is on, door will open. The button press but the switch does not switch it off, door will be still open, sir. But if both button and switch does not on, the door will be not opened, sir. These are the five applications of logic gates, sir. Thank you, sir.